Damn. Are you listening?
Today we're going to be replacing this ugly inlet vent right here. I have a new one. This is about 50 bucks. You can see the size right here. It's 20 by 25 inches, and that's for the inlet. So you have to make sure when you're buying it, you're going to see that lip right here. If you're in the store, all you have to do is grab one of your filters. Let's grab all of the filters you're using. So I'm using 25 by 20 by 25 by 1, and just make sure that it fits in there. Let's go ahead and remove this one right here. Unlock the door on this. Take this off. Pull this off. That should come out just like that. Remove the filter. There should be some screws around the edges. It should be a hex head, so you might need one of these. That should be it. Because mine have been there for quite a while, it's been painted over. It's gonna cut off the painted area. Because these have been probably painted over a number of times. There we go. This one has a latch, which is really good. You can open it up. So I think I want it to open this way. Might be the best way to open it for me. So you can remove the door. So it comes with 4 screws. I'm going to screw it on the sides where it was before. Door. You know, on your filter. Okay, let me go ahead and put some nice smelling stuff in there. Close up. And there she goes. Nice and new. I'm looking good.
Damn. Are you listening?